Okay, guys. So I don't know if you remember, but my other computer was acting up. It was giving me that blue screen, and that weird looking blue screen. It was crazy. And then I tried everything. I tried to reset the computer. I tried to reboot the computer. Everything I did, nothing worked. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to fix that blue screen because it is annoying. All right, so here's what you need. I'm sorry because I'm not a pro. All right, so you need another computer with internet access to it. Okay, so that's what I did. That's one I purchased for school, but yeah, this one is for school, and then the broken computer is right here. All right, okay, so let's. You also need a brand new, or it can be like a 32 gigs or more USB drive. I just purchased that from Target because I didn't have one. Okay. All right. So and then you have to go into the Windows store, Microsoft Store. I meant to say. Sorry. Okay. And then all you press is HP Recovery. You see HP Cloud Recovery. Right here. Okay, you put the USB in, get. Okay, it's downloading. It might take a while, so. Oh, there we go. All right, so you go here, right click, more, run as administrator, right here. Okay, yes, next. Okay, all right, so now you have to put the product number of the computer you're going to use. So I'm just going to click I need to enter my ID number. So now you find the other computer that you're going to be using. So now you have to find the product ID number. Okay, 2 1. All right, so this might take about a whole hour. So you just give it some time and then we'll be right back. Okay, so we are ready. So now we can press OK, finish. All right. Okay, now so this is the computer we're going to fix. First thing first, we put the USB drive that we use on the other computer to back up the file, and then we turn it on. Then as we turn it on, we'll just keep pressing escape. Escape. Okay, and then let's get to work. Okay, yeah, that's me. All right, so when you press escape, you go on F9. It's F9. Okay, and then now you go on USB drive right here. Okay, and then press enter. Okay, all right, so now because I might have some schoolwork I want to save, so now I have to use my regular USB drive to back up some files that I probably, I might need to use later on. So put the USB in, and then I'm gonna go on file backup. Okay. Okay, and then you go on user selection, so you can choose whatever you want to back up. Next. just click on Browse Files. You go on Windows C, because that's what you have. And then you can go on Users and my name, Perp the Mayor. And then I can choose to back up my documents. Okay, I'm going to press my documents because I have a bunch of schoolwork in there. I'm going to press OK. I don't know, I'm not sure what that is. Okay, so this is it right here. Okay. Okay, so my files are being backed up right now. All right, so we're gonna press on factory reset. I hope it works. Next. Okay, everything will be gone. So let's press next. So recover without backing up. Next, file program will be lost. Okay, I don't mind. And now the computer is gonna be recovered to factory resetting. Okay, so now it's asking me if I want to add anything else. All you have to press now is skip. Okay, you just now press OK. Okay, so now the recovery is complete. All you press now is finish. The computer will restart by itself.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there.
And like that, we just restarted the computer. All you have to do now is just put your information and then you're good to go. So I hope this was helpful to you. By the way, this took me forever. So be patient, take your time, and then this is it. That's how we reset my computer to factory resetting, guys. So make sure you please subscribe, share with your friends, show some love, and always come back for more. I'll see you when I see you. Peace.